What is going on, everybody? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is an Antutu benchmark comparison between the Nubia Red Magic 3 against the OnePlus 7 Pro. Both of the phones have the Snapdragon 855 CPU. They both have 8GB of RAM, and the rest of the specs you can see on these sides. Now, with that being said, let's get started. So the Red Magic 3 finished first and overall it scored a little higher. Now, in the breakdown of the categories, the OnePlus 7 Pro scored higher for the CPU, but the Red Magic 3 scored higher for the GPU, then the OnePlus 7 Pro scored higher for the UX, and finally the Red Magic 3 scored a lot higher for the memory. So that does it for this Antutu benchmark comparison. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now, if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, Thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.